12 Pro Max. Coming up right after the intro. The iPhone 12 series. Yeah, it's been just 1 month the iPhone SE 2020 has launched. And right now, we got the leaks and rumors of the iPhone 12 series. Let me tell you the launch date, specifications, and the price, specs, and much more. Let's start off with the phones here. There are four phones, which is the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Max, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max. The iPhone 12 and 12 Max are the lower variants and the left both are somewhat higher variants. And talking about the new feature in these mobiles is that they support 5G. Yeah, 5G. It's Apple's first smartphone which will support 5G network in their mobiles. Talking about the display, the iPhone 12 comes with a 5.4-inch OLED display. The iPhone 12 Max comes with a 6.1-inch OLED display. The iPhone 12 Pro comes with a 6.1-inch OLED display, and an iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with a 6.7-inch OLED display. And it said that the iPhone 12 and the 12 Max might have a 60Hz display, and the 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max might have a 120Hz display. And all these smartphones might support an A14 Bionic chip. When it comes to iPhone, there should be a good camera and the price should be very much. Then only it's iPhone. Lol, just kidding. Talking about the camera here, the iPhone 12 comes with a 64MP main camera, 12MP ultra wide camera, and a 12MP front camera. And it applies the same thing for the iPhone 12 Max too. Now, if you come on to the iPhone 12 Pro, it comes with a 64MP main camera, 12MP ultra wide camera, and then you'll get even a TOF 3D depth sensor, and you'll get a 12MP front camera here, I think so. When it comes to iPhone 12 Pro Max, same thing, but you'll get an extra sensor called the LiDAR. When it comes to the front camera, all the iPhone 12 series phone might have a small notch display. It is just a prediction that it might have, and there are some of the leaks saying like that, but I'm not assured there might be something like that. Talking about the launch date over here, due to the coronavirus pandemic, the event might get postponed too, but what they have told us, it might be released on the August or September month of 2020. When it comes to price here, this series might be less than the iPhone 11 series. Let's take a look on that. It is said that the iPhone 12 might come with a $649, and the iPhone 12 Max might come with a $749, and the iPhone 12 Pro with a $999, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max with a $1,099. If you take a look at the screenshots over here, you can see that the iPhone 12 series might have a less price compared to the iPhone 11 series. So you can buy the iPhone 12 itself. It's great, I think so. So the video has come to an end. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until that, signing over Santosh from Smart Tech. Enjoy it unique.
Smart Tech Official. Do it